With Liquidware Command Control, IT teams have instant, secure access to any managed endpoint. No VPN required. Here, a support technician is initiating a remote control session directly from the Command Control web-based console. Within seconds, the connection is established, giving the technician a live view of the end user's Windows desktop. From this point, the technician has full control, able to interact with applications, diagnose issues, and resolve problems in real time, exactly as if they were sitting in front of the machine. Command Control's remote control feature works across physical and virtual endpoints, including Citrix, Omnissa Horizon, Azure Virtual Desktop, and Windows 365 Cloud PC environments, making it a versatile tool for modern IT help desk. Every session is policy-controlled and fully logged, ensuring organizations meet security and compliance requirements while delivering fast, effective support. That's the power of Liquidware Command Control, putting IT teams in control wherever their users are.